I'm going to make a fresh salad from our garden. So here are the materials at this moment we have. Spring onion, radish, curly kale, celery, mustard green, and actually two kinds of. One is bok choy. You can see the little flower buds are here. This is a very typical mustard green. Garlic, chive, Italian flat celery or parsley, cilantro, rainbow trout. We have green ones, red ones, and we have a couple of other type in the yard too. What I'm going to do is, also we have peppers. Jalapeno, actually at this season, because it's winter, jalapeno is not spicy at all. It's quite sweet. This is a sweet pepper, very, very sweet. Tastes like a fruit. And hot red pepper and hot yellow pepper. I'm going to mix them all together, make a fresh salad for lunch. Let me show you what we have in the garden. This is a green Swedish chard. You can see it grows really, really well in the winter. I usually put it in a little bit sunny places. It likes winter weather better than the summer. This is the greens and the pepper, hot pepper. It has been in yard for a couple of years. This is the radish. So you can see the bottom, actually, if you pull it out, you can see that the radish is over there. This is the green, yellow pepper. And that is a red chard. Let me introduce our mustard green patch. We bought a bunch of seeds during the Thanksgiving season. So they are about a month old. This is a green chive garlic.
Here we also have a lot of cilantros.
Here is the final product. I tossed some egg and the barbecue season made another day and a little bit of dried berries. So that's it.